So hello future officers, this video is dedicated to all those aspirants who are appearing for Civil Services Prelims 2021 exam. My dear, before appearing in the exam, let me ask you a couple of questions. Are you worried about your CSAT preparation? Do you want to crack CSAT 2021 exam confidently? Or are you looking for a comprehensive course that covers the entire syllabus with the shortcuts and all the previous year question discussion in the given specific time to the point syllabus? If answer to any of the above questions is yes, then you are at the right place. We at Educard24 in association with Passion IS Academy have helped thousands of civil services aspirants for their preparation during the last 10 years. My dear, I know 45 days are left for mother of all the exams, that is civil services, and if we go by the trend, there are many UPSC aspirants, very serious aspirants who despite getting a decent score in GS are not able to qualify CSAT paper. So on popular demand, we are launching our CSAT course. What you guys will be getting in this course will be comprising of pre-recorded video lectures of 60 hours. There will be the PDF of the handouts that we will be using in these handouts. To analyze your performance, there will be 4 mocks along with the detailed solution. To help you guys, we will be conducting 4 doubt sessions as well. So now the next question is, what is the fee for this course? My dear, fee for this course used to be 5,999. But wait for a minute, we know that this is too much. COVID has affected the finances of everybody. So we are offering this course at 1,999 only. 1,999, yes. This offer is applicable for first 100 students only. So enroll today and avail this discount. My dear, visit our website, you must have got the link. And along with this, we are going to cover past 32 years papers that are asked in UPSC on our YouTube channel. So you please join that. My dear, it is very rightly said that more you sweat in the training, less you bleed in the battle. So let us practice CSAT before the exam such that your final exam will become just like another classroom handout. So give your preparation final touch, be a winner. That's it. Good wishes from my side. Thank you. All the very best.